Welcome to Ship4wd. We're getting a real-time quote for your full container load or FCL shipment is fast, simple, and designed with you in mind. Today, we'll guide you through the process step by step so you can quickly find the best shipping options for your business. Why choose FCL? If you've got enough goods to fill an entire container, this is the most cost-effective and efficient option. It gives you exclusive use of the container for your cargo. First, log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, click the Search Quote button. Alternatively, you can choose your shipment type directly from the dashboard. For this example, we'll choose Full Container Load, FCL. If you've searched for shipments in the past, you can find your recent searches by scrolling down on this page, making it even easier to pick up where you left off. Next, select the country you are shipping from. This is the country where your cargo will begin its journey. Click Select Address Type to choose how your cargo will be handed over to us. You have two options, port and door delivery. Choose port if your cargo will be delivered to a designated shipping port for pickup. Select door if we need to pick up the cargo from a business address. Double-check with your manufacturer what's the best arrangement, since many of them already have internal transportation partners delivering to the port included in their service. Now, let's choose your destination. Just like the origin, you can specify the country your cargo is headed to by choosing one of the options of the drop-down menu. Next, select Address Type to choose how your cargo will be received. You have two options, port and door delivery. Choose port if the cargo will be delivered to a designated shipping port for pickup, either because you already have transportation arrangements in place at the port of destination or prefer to handle port pickup yourself. Choose door if you want your cargo delivered directly to a business address. For FCL, you'll need to pick the right size container. Here's a quick guide. 20 dry container, a standard 20-foot container for most types of cargo. 40 dry container, great for high volume shipments. 40 high cube dry container, similar to the 40 dry, but offers more capacity with an extra foot of height. 45 high cube dry container, providing maximum space for your large or voluminous shipments. Next, enter the number of containers you'll be shipping. If you need to ship multiple containers of different sizes, simply click the Add Container button to include a different container type. If you'd like more information about the exact dimensions, volume, and weight limits of each container, please visit our website and click on Full Container Load, FCL, Ocean Freight, under Services. You can find the link in the first comment. There, you'll find all the detailed information you need about each type of container. Next, choose your departure date. Whether you're planning ahead or need a last-minute shipment, just pick the date that works best for you. Now, it's time to find your quote. Click Search, and we'll show you available shipping options in real time. Compare rates and shipping times to find the perfect match for your needs. Found the right option? Great! Click Lock in Price to secure it. From here, you'll provide cargo details, contact information, and any extra services you need. Once you're ready, finalize your booking with a payment, and you're all set. And if you need help, our expert team is here to support you every step of the way. You can click on Live Assistant to chat directly with one of our experts for real-time help. If you prefer a more detailed discussion, you can also use the Schedule a Call option to book a convenient time to speak with our team. Whatever your preference, we're here to ensure your shipping process is as smooth as possible. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials on how to make the most of Ship4wd's platform.